Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to start on my closet door. This won't be my recording space, but it is super filthy and I just could not look at it any longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this and cover it up with the same color that I have on the opposite side of my wall. Finally, y'all, I'm finished. This was such a fun project, y'all. Like, I love painting. It's so therapeutic. And I'm sorry I didn't record myself putting these dots up, y'all. Like, listen, my phone ran out of space and I was like, I'm sorry. They're just gonna have to accept the finished results at least. But it came out super cute. And as for these totes down here, I'm going to buy a clothing rack. I'm going to hang my clothes up on them. This space is about to be lit, so continue to watch my videos. I will show you the final room tour. But if you've gotten this far, leave a heart at the end of the video, and thanks for watching.